Have you noticed your grocery bill getting higher every time you visit Costco? If so, you're not imagining it. Food prices continue to climb, with coffee increasing by more than 20%, ground beef reaching record highs, and staples like orange juice becoming noticeably more expensive. Experts expect grocery prices to keep rising through 2026, but there's a simple strategy many families still overlook. Instead of paying tomorrow's prices, you can build a pantry at today's prices using Costco's bulk savings. In this video, we'll cover 17 bulk foods that provide the best value, store well, and help protect your household from future food inflation. Costco's business model makes this possible because it earns most of its profit from memberships rather than large markups. That allows it to sell everyday staples at some of the lowest prices in retail. Unfortunately, many shoppers simply fill their carts with whatever looks appealing instead of building a pantry with a plan. A smarter approach is to focus on long-lasting essentials that your family already eats and rotate them into your normal meals. Let's begin with the first 5 pantry foundations. Number 1. Rice. A 25-pound bag of jasmine or long-grain white rice is one of Costco's best bargains, costing roughly $20 to $25 while providing around 40,000 calories. Properly stored in sealed food-grade containers in a cool, dry place, white rice can last for decades. Instead of leaving it in the original bag, transfer it into airtight containers or 5-gallon buckets with secure lids. Rice easily becomes part of everyday meals, whether served with beans, canned chicken, leftovers, or even desserts like rice pudding. Number 2. Dried beans. Costco sells large bags of pinto, black, navy, and other beans at prices that beat most grocery stores. Beans store for years, pair perfectly with rice to create complete protein, and feed a family for only pennies per serving. Compared with today's beef prices, beans are remarkably economical. A pound of dried beans costs about $1 and produces many more servings than a pound of ground beef. That's why generations before us relied on beans as a pantry staple, and with meat prices continuing to rise, they're becoming an essential budget-friendly protein once again. Number 3. Rolled oats. Costco's 10-pound bags cost around $10 to $15 and provide weeks of breakfasts. Oats are incredibly versatile. They can be used for oatmeal, granola, overnight oats, cookies, breads, pancakes, or blended into flour. They also stretch ground meat in recipes like meatloaf and meatballs without changing the flavor. Stored in sealed containers, oats remain fresh for years and become one of the hardest working ingredients in any pantry. Number 4. Flour. A 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour costs roughly $15 to $20 and serves as the foundation for homemade bread, biscuits, tortillas, pancakes, pie crusts, and countless other recipes. Store it in airtight containers or freeze it for extended freshness and protection against pests. Number 5. Pasta. Costco's bulk packages of spaghetti, penne, and macaroni store for years and cost significantly less per pound than supermarket prices. As wheat production faces ongoing pressure, buying pasta now is a practical way to lock in today's lower prices. Combined with rice, beans, and flour, pasta completes a solid foundation that can support hundreds of inexpensive family meals. These first 5 staples form the backbone of a well-planned pantry. But they're only the beginning. Next, we'll move into the foods that can save you even more money by protecting your family from rising protein costs and some of the fastest-growing grocery prices in America today. With the foundation of your pantry in place, it's time to focus on the foods that can protect your budget from some of the biggest price increases happening today. These next essentials provide long shelf life, excellent value, and everyday convenience while helping your family prepare for rising grocery costs. Asterisk number 6. Canned tuna and canned chicken. As beef prices continue climbing and cattle numbers remain low, shelf-stable protein has become one of the smartest bulk purchases you can make. Costco's multi-packs offer dozens of servings that require no refrigeration and stay good for years. Kirkland canned chicken is fully cooked and ready for soups, casseroles, sandwiches, pasta, and salads, while canned tuna adds quick, affordable protein to many family meals. Asterisk number 7. Peanut butter. Costco's large twin packs deliver an excellent combination of protein, healthy fats, and calories at a very competitive price. Properly stored, peanut butter lasts well over a year and works for sandwiches, baking, snacks, and cooking. Since peanut production is facing increasing costs, stocking up now could save money later. Asterisk number 8. Coffee. Coffee prices have risen dramatically because of poor harvests in major producing countries and higher import costs. Costco continues to offer some of the best prices on both whole bean and ground coffee. Whole beans stay fresh longer, making them the better option for storage. Buying an extra supply today means avoiding even higher prices in the months ahead while ensuring your family's daily routine isn't interrupted. Asterisk number 9. Cooking oil. Asterisk. Vegetable, canola, olive, and coconut oil are all available in large containers at Costco for much less than grocery store prices. Cooking oil is one of the most important pantry items because it turns simple foods like rice, beans, vegetables, and pasta into complete meals. Since olive oil production continues to face pressure from drought conditions, locking in today's prices is a smart move. Asterisk number 10. Sugar. A 25-pound bag of granulated sugar stores almost indefinitely when kept dry and sealed. Besides baking and sweetening foods, sugar is useful for preserving fruit, making jams, and providing quick energy. Buying in bulk today helps avoid paying more as prices continue rising. The remaining items complete a balanced pantry designed for everyday use. Large containers of salt cost very little, last forever, help preserve food, and replace essential electrolytes. Honey is another excellent long-term staple because it never spoils, provides natural sweetness, and serves as a reliable source of quick energy. Powdered milk is often overlooked but deserves a place in every pantry. It stores for years, works perfectly in baking and cooking, and costs much less than buying the same amount of fresh milk over time. Costco's bulk packs of canned vegetables and fruit provide dependable nutrition while protecting your family from seasonal shortages and rising produce prices. Choose varieties your family already enjoys so nothing goes to waste. Don't forget shelf-stable dairy products including boxed milk, hard cheeses, and powdered cheese, which add variety and convenience. Nuts and seeds contribute healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals while storing well when kept cool or frozen. Finally, invest in seasonings and sauces. Garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, bouillon, soy sauce, chili powder, curry powder, Italian seasoning, tomato products, vinegar, and your favorite sauces transform simple pantry staples into meals your family will actually enjoy eating. They're inexpensive, last for years, and make a tremendous difference in everyday cooking. Altogether, building this Costco pantry typically costs between $300 and $600 for a family of 4, depending on how much you choose to store. Start with grains, beans, and proteins, then add cooking oil, sugar, and salt before expanding into vegetables, dairy, nuts, and seasonings. Store everything in airtight containers, label it with purchase dates, and rotate older items into your regular meals. Remember, the goal isn't to buy food you'll never use. The smartest pantry is filled with foods your family already eats, purchased at today's lower prices and replaced as you use them. That's how you build long-term savings while protecting yourself from future inflation. Costco gives ordinary families an opportunity to stretch every grocery dollar, but only if they shop with a plan instead of buying on impulse. Start with a few key items on your next visit, build your pantry one trip at a time, and you'll be thankful you locked in today's prices when tomorrow's grocery bill is even higher. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another Costco member who wants to save more money and build a smarter pantry. Until next time, take care and shop wisely.